How to import SRT files in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get into it. Start by clicking into the media pool, then drag and drop your video and captions file into this media pool, or you can right click and then select import media and do the same thing. Next, drag your video clip onto your timeline like so. Then right click the blank space here and then select add subtitle track. This is going to add this track, which we can then drag the captions file in on top of our video. You will then see captions appear above your video at the timestamps. If you find that it's not lined up properly, you can select all of them like this and then just align it to where your first word is said in your video to get it perfectly aligned. If you want to customize the look of these captions, click into Inspector, then Track, and here you could change the font, color, size, stroke, transform, drop shadow, background, etc. for your captions, and by making the changes here, it will apply it to every single caption in your track, providing they're all selected. And that's all there is to it.